Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to get an API key for ChatGPT. It's a quick and simple process. However, there is one mistake that a lot of people make that mess up the whole process. So please follow along from beginning to end. And by the end of this video, you would be able to generate a ChatGPT API key. So first you want to go to the OpenAI's website and click on the menu on the right. Click on API, Overview, and get started. You will then need to log into your account. It's the same login credentials you would normally use for ChatGPT. If you do not have an account, you would need to sign up for one. Once logged in, on the left, you'll see a list of menu items. You want to click on API keys and create new secret key. You name it whatever you want to name it. Then click on Create Secret Key. And this long string of letters and numbers is your ChatGPT API key. Now this part is very important. You must click on Copy and secure this key in a place where no one can access it, as if someone gets a hold of your key and start using it, you will be billed. Once you have copied and secured your key, click on Done. And that is how to get an API key for ChatGPT.